welcome back everyone. And like you see, it's a beautiful blue skies. And if you're familiar with the area, you know where we're going. Yes, we're gonna have some fun in the sun. And we're heading over to Haulover on a late Saturday afternoon because we're planning to stay overnight. And hopefully we could find parking at the marina, because if you guys have noticed, lately more people are starting to do boating, and it's not even summer yet. So I'm thinking this summer is gonna be crazy. So let's go have some fun, and you guys are coming along for the ride.
So we're here on a late adventure on Saturday to the sandbar. It was a hassle coming in because a lot of people were going out. So it was a hard time getting in, but once we got our spot on the ramp, we're here at the sandbar hanging out, having some late fun in the bright sun because it's bright today. And I can't believe it. If you guys have the app for the ramps, you notice that the ramps started closing today at 9:30 in the morning. So a lot of people decided to go boating today. I mean, it's been a great day. So we're here now at Haulover hanging out. We're gonna stay overnight. We don't know exactly where we're gonna stay overnight, but somewhere we're gonna stay overnight. Oh, it feels good. We got the shade.
Yes, like you noticed, we're here enjoying a great sunny Saturday afternoon, and you know, she's taking pictures, that's what she loves. And then all of a sudden this happened.
The afternoon adventure turned out to another adventure. I'm gonna show you guys why. because let me get in this hole.
So the next time just
I'm gonna show you guys. I tried to turn the generator and it ran for 5 seconds and it turned off. Now I'm gonna show you why. You see that right there? That's where the impeller goes. And you see this right here? That's what's left of the impeller. Now, the bad part is I don't have an extra impeller here at in the boat. I have one at the house. So I'm gonna go on a mission because I have a friend that stays here near Haulover Marina. And what I'm going to do is drive the boat, leave it behind her house, use her car, go to my house, get the impeller, and come back and keep the night going. So it turned out to a double adventure today. It's one of those things that I should have the stuff. I should have the stuff on the boat, so like that. I have the parts here, but I don't.
put them on, right?
Si quieren, I'll put them on.
I'll put them on now, I don't mind.
Vamos a pasar la vela. All right, so the simple afternoon adventure turned out to a real mechanic adventure. Well, here it is. We're cruising by Beer Can Island. The good thing is that my friend lives like 3 minutes off of a haulover sandbar, so we're gonna go to her house and steal her car. What boat is sinking?
I got chocolate.
Wow, that's nice. Hold on.
I only brought one.
No, 5 for it.
Well, like they say, dreaming doesn't cost anything. So yeah, while we're riding here through the canal to get to my friend's house, we're here looking at all the beautiful waterfront properties and apartments that hopefully one day I get lucky and hit the lotto and I will buy one here to keep my boat in the water. And also here, these condominiums here was my first summer job that I did construction. I was actually a drywall helper.
So big old bumpy. Open what?
Wow, what a view. Yeah, it's really nice. Está bien bonito. It's nice. Wow, it's really nice here. Oh, I like that, how they bury the lights under the ocean. I mean, on the water like that. Yeah. It's really pretty. So let's see if we got lucky. We found the impeller at West Marine nearby. Thanks to Henry. That he lives in the water and brought me to the West Marine. So let's see what happens.
Another adventure.
Another adventure. Hey, this is the guy. Yes, this is the guy. Remember my motor broke and he ran out of gas. It's the same guy.
Thank you.
Okay, so no homemade cooked food tonight. no barbecue either. I stopped by a fast food restaurant and grabbed something to eat for everybody because I needed to get the generator up and running.
Okay, it's time to work on the generator. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, gotta walk through here, through here, through here. Now it's time to let me see where the lights. All right, let's go with the flow. Need my tools. All right, so here we go. We just changed the gasket, and here's the new impeller that I thank God for West Marine had it in stock, and thank God my friend was home. He could drive me there. So here we go. Time to put it back together. I'm just gonna show you guys really quick. I don't know if you can see it there. I put the housing in. I already took out the hoses. I'm just gonna put the impeller. The impeller goes right here. And then I'm not gonna really make the whole video because I just want to get it over with because it's dark outside and we need this up and running. So it's actually turned out to a double adventure. A weekend of fun and a weekend of fixing. So let me just get it over with. Guys, it's purring like a kitten. Got it running. The impeller is working fine. So we're back in business. Back to weekend adventure mode. All right, let's pick up the tools and let's go have some fun in the night. Okay guys, so we're up and running and now we're heading back to the sandbar or the island, wherever we decide to spend the night. And yep, the days is full of adventure. Good, I'm glad that we got it fixed. If not, we had to go back home. But I'm glad that West Marine had the impeller. Plus, actually I got all the parts at my house. But you know, I didn't put it on the boat. Now I learned. Now when I get home, I'm gonna put all the parts on the boat.
Luckily we have time to see you too.
And luckily I have a friend that lives in the water that we pulled up on the back and we got our situation fixed and we're up and rolling. It's not that bad. It's only like, I think 8 o'clock, 8:30.
Yeah.
So we're good. The night is still young. Just luckily I did it when we got to the sandbar. If not, I would have went to the island, turned on the generator and it wouldn't work. So I'm kind of lucky that I did it when I did it so early in the day. And I got it fixed. And we're back again. Wow, look at this. Look at this big boat with 4 outboards. That's a big boat. I don't know what brand it is, but oh, I know what it is. It's a CV. It's the big CV with 4 outboards. That's nice. That's a big CV. Ooh, I know that's roomy inside. So we're here, back at it again. Not letting the weekend go to waste. And here you go. We are at Beer Can Island, and there's already a few boats here. So I guess everybody had the same idea. We're back at our local spot. Lucky we got the generator going. So we're here enjoying the beautiful night. Beer Can Island again. Our lucky spot. Basil, pepper, Okay, so this is the marine cooking show. Okay, you sprinkle some pepper. Man, I forgot about the videos we used to do about healthy eating.